Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my unboxing slash first impressions on some products that I got from Stylevana. They sent me some products to try and I can't wait to open this up and share with you what I have. So this is just a quick sneak peek. If you didn't already know, Stylevana is a website that sells Asian beauty and fashion items. If you're interested in any of the products that I talk about today, then they are going to be linked down below in the description box, so you can check them out there. Also, you can use my code INF10PADEE to save 10% off. This is going to be a very chill and laid back video, so if you're here for it, let's begin. So the first product they sent is the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Toner, and I've actually been sent this already, and I'm currently working on this bottle. So before opening this one, I'll finish this one first. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a cotton pad on my face. So this contains Jeju green tea extract and anti-sebum PhD, ingredients to help soothe skin and control excess sebum for soft skin. I'm just gonna tone the face with this. Feels nice and cooling and hydrating on my skin. So because I've already been using this isn't a first impression on this particular product, but I can tell you that I have been really liking it. So if you're looking for a hydrating toner, look no further. This one's a really good one. The next product that was sent was the Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Serum. And it looks like this. I have not tried this one before. So they completed 6 clinical testing of the skin. Brighter skin tone around the eyes, increased skin radiance, less dead skin cells, moisturized skin, helpful for blemish and pigmentation, and skin irritating testing. This premium serum contains 75% of Galactomyces ferment filtrate and 30,000 ppm of pure vitamin C, which can help you maintain a healthy, radiant skin with moisturizing. And this is from the brand Some by Me. I'm just going to apply a couple of drops on my face. And because it's the daytime, of course, I'm going to apply some sunscreen. So you want to make sure if you're going to apply vitamin C that you first, avoid the eye area is what I'm going to do. And then secondly, apply some sunscreen. All right, that feels good. A nice glow to the skin. I'm going to continue to use this. And if you're interested in seeing any updates, then make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my social media handles right here at PadeeTinaKong. Follow me there for some updates. So I received 2 creams from them, the iUNIK Centella Calming Gel Cream and the Some by Me HA/BHA 30 Days Miracle Cream. And I've actually tried both of them, and I was sent both of them before previously, and so this is the calming cream that I have. I have only tried the trial size of this cream, so I'm happy to have a big one because I did really like the cream when I tried it out. Because I applied my vitamin C, I'm not going to apply this HA/BHA cream because I'm not sure if they pair well together, but I will show the texture on the back of my hand. So if you saw my review on this one, you'll know that I've been really liking this one as well. A great day cream. It has a nice gel consistency. It's hydrating. It has Centella asiatica to soothe the skin and help with your skin barrier. So I am all for this. So I want to show you the AHA/BHA Some by Me cream. I recommend this one if you are struggling with acne. Do remember that everyone's skin is different, so my experience with products may be different from yours. I have been really liking this cream when I have acne. This one smells like peppermint. It has a really nice gel to cream consistency, a little bit heavier than the iUNIK gel cream. This one is nice and hydrating as well. If you don't like the peppermint, then I would skip this cream. I do recommend trying it. I get hormonal acne, so this really helped with that and kept my skin hydrated while also treating my acne at the same time. So this I really like. So the next product is the PURITO Centella Green Level Unscented Sun SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus. This is how it looks like. I'm going to apply this to my face. Oh, you can't smell, it doesn't smell like sunscreen at all. Ooh, that's nice. So it's true unscented. It's essential oil free, suitable for all skin types, organic UV filters, calming and moisturizing, no sticky and no white cast. It's a water-based sunscreen formulated with centella extracts, which I love. Helps to protect your skin from UV rays and harmful environments without stickiness or white residue left on the skin. It does not contain any essential oils and artificial fragrances. All right, so that's always a plus. Okay, so let's apply this on my face. That is like really nice. I definitely rate this a 5 out of 5. I've always been looking for a sunscreen that doesn't irritate my eyes and doesn't smell like sunscreen, and I feel like I found it. I'm gonna update you on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me there and let you know how I feel about this after trying it for a couple days, a couple weeks. But so far, so good. I'm really impressed. So far, I'm not feeling anything around the eye area, like any irritation, or I don't feel like my eyes are stinging at all. So that's always a plus for me. So the last product that was sent is the LANEIGE Cica Sleeping Mask, and I've been really wanting to try this and haven't got to it. So I'm really happy that they sent it to me. It comes with this spatula, and here's how it looks like. I'm not gonna apply it on my face because it's the daytime and I just applied sunscreen, but I want to share the texture. It looks like a cream and not really a gel, which is so different for me. So it says it's a Cica sleeping mask with new and powerful forest yeast, helps to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier for the sensitive and dry skin to make it appear healthy. All skin types, dermatologically tested and hypoallergenic tested. I really want to try it tonight. I don't think I'm going to try it on camera, but this is the texture. I will update you again on my Instagram, but this is how it looks like. I have not tried a sleeping mask that is thick like this, so I'm really excited for my dry skin. I love their water bank sleeping mask, so I have a feeling I'm gonna really love this because 1, Cica, of course, and 2, it's very creamy. So I'm just working to blend it in on my super dry hands, and wow, that is like moisture. Has like a slight scent to it, kind of like Cica, very kind of herbally, like plant-like scent. I'm really interested in trying this overnight and seeing how this works. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and very quick skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please also click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Also follow me on my socials. I'm at Padee Tina Kong. Make sure to also follow Stylevana. I'll leave a link to their socials down below in the description box, as well as links to the products if you're interested in checking them out. You can use my code INF10 Padee to save an additional 10% off. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!